This is the Hollyland SolidCom C1. I know, a lot of you are looking at this video wondering how this even fit into the world of photography or videography, but it does in a big way. Welcome to FlashFilm Academy's new series, Flash 5, where I'll be unboxing a product and asking 5 questions to get to one answer. Can you make money with the Hollyland SolidCom C1? If this is your first time on this channel, we talk about the business side of content creation. If you want to learn how to take pretty pictures, this is not the place. But when you're ready to monetize that passion, hit that subscribe button. It's important that I tell you that Hollyland provided me with a SolidCom C1. And I'm gonna be real with you. If I don't like it, if I think it's trash, I'm gonna tell you it's trash. They don't get to dictate what I think about this product. Before we even go into the 5 questions, let's start with unboxing this unit and talk about why you would even need something like this. The pricing on things like this usually varies. So for an updated price, make sure you click the link below. As of the time of this video, the set that I'm showing you is around $9.99. It's important that you know that these are the types of tools that YouTubers who aren't doing this for a living don't talk about. Communication is very important. And I think more YouTubers, especially those who are pushing the business side of things or being on sets and doing this with a team, should talk about more tools like this. Because instead of spending money on things like lenses, these are the type of purchases that can do so much more for your business than adding more bokeh or a 20% sharper image. The ability to give your business real-time communication at an event is the type of flexibility that can help you gain a lifetime client worth tens of thousands of dollars over the life of that client. My team and I have been using two-way communications for years at all of our events, both photo and video. It shows value to your client. It helps your brand look high-end, and it keeps you and other shooters off of their phones. Even if it's to send and receive messages from you or your other shooters about the event that you're currently on. They look at you being on your phone and instantly they feel like you're being lazy. Now that we showed you what's in the box, let's talk about key features. The SolidCom C1 features a full duplex wireless intercom headset system. Now let me explain what that means. That means, one, everything is located within the headset itself. There's no side packs, there's no battery packs. Even the battery is located in the headset. And it allows you to have a real conversation. So no walkie-talkie, over, yeah. You guys can talk at the same time and hear each other at the same time. That's pretty high-end for this device to be so little. Another thing that I like about it is it's ready right out of the box. They come paired together. You can just put the battery in it, cut it on, and go straight to your shoot, and you're ready. They have a range of about 1,000 feet. Now that's a line of sight. That's going to be in an area where there is nothing but you and the person. We're going to talk a little bit about that later on whether or not I think that's enough distance. But there are a bunch of little things I love about it. You have USB-C ports that allow you to update the units. Removable batteries, so you can buy extra batteries if you have longer shoot days. I love the fact that it comes with a charging station that can charge the batteries in about 2 hours. The way this system works is it uses a main unit and then it has each additional headset. So as long as the main unit is the one that the director would use, every other headset can communicate with that headset and other headsets on the system. I also like the fact that it's expandable. You can purchase other headsets and a station to allow you to use this with a unlimited amount of headsets. As long as you keep buying stations and you daisy chain them together, you can use this in a ton of different ways. Last but not least, one of the key features I really love is the fact that you can flip the microphone up to mute the headset. So you can still listen to everything, flip it up while you're getting instructions, and bring it down when you're ready to join the conversation. Up next, we're going to talk about the pros that I really enjoy when I use this device. Let's be real, I've used a lot of different walkie-talkie systems and two-way radio systems being in the military and for work. And the thing I love about this most is there's no belt pack, there's no extra boxes, there's no cable running up, there's none of that. It's just my headset. I also love the full duplex system. It's like a phone. It's not like a walkie-talkie. We can have conversations. I don't have to worry about missing something. And it's just like being next to the person and having a conversation in real life. Unlike walkie-talkie talk where it's like over, and you have to have different keywords and things like that to let them know you're done talking. I also love the fact that it's up and running instantly. You don't have to pair anything. You don't have to go through no complex frequencies and make sure everything's all together. You ain't got to do all that. You cut these bad boys on, you get them, they're ready to go. Another thing is they're very comfortable. This headset is super comfortable compared to some of the other huge on-ear headsets I've seen in the past. We were able to get about 4 to 6 hours of usage out of the battery. Keep in mind, the master or main headset get a little bit less runtime because it does a little more work than the extra headsets. As I stated before, it's upgradable, so you can add a hub that can be battery powered as well with like a V mount. It will increase the range and the amount of devices that you can have on this channel. It will also allow you to have multiple channels. So you can have this hub system and have 2 different rooms streaming at the same time and have those teams talk to each other without interference from team A or team B. Another dope feature is the hub will even allow you to connect to like a Zoom call or some type of application that's on your computer. So you literally can be directing an event anywhere in the world and still have communication with your team as long as there is a hub and a laptop where you can plug into their intercom system. Up next, we're going to talk about the cons of using this device. One of the cons you can say is that the range is only about 1,000 feet. And that's not really too bad. Our tests show about 800 feet indoors, and that's about the range that you would get from like a budget video transmission system. In fact, it's better than most budget video transmission systems. When you start looking at the Hollyland systems or you start looking at the Sling Studio, they only get about 300 to 400 feet. So this should be more than enough to live within that area until you start getting into the crazy tear decks and things like that. Also, keep in mind, just like with any wireless device, you're going to get more range with line of sight events, football games, things like that, where it's wide open. You're gonna have a little problem when you start going into buildings with metal walls and doors and things like that. Let's talk about who the SolidCom C1 is for. Let me be real. This is for any content creator that works in a team environment. If you cover any event, photography or videography, this piece of equipment will help you stay extremely flexible. If you're doing live streaming, this is a must. Don't even think about it, just buy it. You want instant communication and the ability to connect with your staff while you're on set. Start with the 2-person set and grow from there. Up next, let's talk about the benefits to the client. This offers major benefits to the client in ways most will not have the ability to recognize outside of great customer service. But that's fine because it shows value for your brand. I had a client express how great it was for them to have the ability to walk up to any of my staff or team members and relay a message that got back to me immediately. These are little things that help our brand look like a top-tier flagship company worth the big check we require. Once I even had a situation where there was an emergency that happened on one side of the venue, and we were the ones that relayed the message to their leadership and the venue owners before they could even notify it themselves. How do you think this made us look to the client? We went from a company that it's nice to have on location to a company you have to have on location. Up next, let me tell you my final thoughts on the SolidCom C1. Listen, communication is everything on set. The faster you can communicate, the more effective you and your team would be, the more value you provide as a company. Now, I used to use Motorola walkie-talkies before switching to these, and they were big. They had the cord that clipped to your shirt, and you kind of looked like security, and the battery didn't last for a super long time. The benefit of those is they offer superior range. They're like 4 to 6 miles. They only allow one person to talk at a time, and they're double the price of these. Now that we have the SolidComs, we only use those if we're going to be spread out or be miles apart. Very rarely does that happen in a wireless streaming situation or a situation where we're running cable to different cameras. Maybe if I was shooting a complete NFL game, but I'm usually not 6,000 feet from the next camera. I love the ability of the open line or phone call style talking feature. Sometimes we're talking about different things and something pop off and somebody may need to cut me off to ask permission to shoot this or shoot that. And I like that because it gives me more flexibility. So I give these 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's simple. They do what they say they do, and they go above and beyond what they should for the price. With the ability to be upgradable, it's a system that you can grow into without shelling out thousands of dollars to get started. If you're interested in this product, click the link below. And if you're a gold member, check out the gold version of this video where I will discuss how I make more money using the Hollyland SolidCom C1s as I go into details about the upsell and offers this device provides. If you're not a gold member, feel free to join by clicking the link below. As always, be inspired, be creative, be profitable.